I struggle to get enough fiber in my diet. Most of the time extra fiber equals extra calories, and that's the last thing I need. I found these some time ago at a big name store near me, and though I did give them a try. Wow, they taste so good, they are low in calories, and give you a heapin' helpin' of fiber. I admit to eating up to 10 a day. If I don't take them, I do notice a difference. They help keep me, regular and at a comfortable consistency, ahem. One day my big name store was out. Luckily, I discovered them on Amazon. A 2-pack of much larger bottles for a price far less than I was paying locally. Sweet. And, I'll say it again, they taste great! Exclamation mark. Great way to get extra fiber. You get more fiber for less money the other pills or powder, and they taste good with no grit. I love this product, it's very tasty and does its work. But, up until now I had been buying it at Target and decided to buy it online this time. Bad idea, as the gummies were shipped without insulation and arrived semi-melted. I tried one in hopes that it would be alright, it wasn't. The taste is off. I contacted the Fiberwell manufacturer and they said the gummies should never be exposed to temperatures above the 70s. So, a word of caution, make sure seller insulates the gummies before shipping, otherwise the heat will ruin them. I can get gummies in the grocery store with a higher fiber content, which explains why it is only getting 4 stars. But, for what it is, they are easy to chew and taste fine. Usually bought these from Costco, with coronavirus bought from Amazon. Price is great. I've taken these for extra fiber for many years now, best option on the market in my opinion. The gummies arrived in timely fashion and were extremely sea-soft. Saved over 50% by buying online. Same great quality that you get from drugstore. Wife and I both use, so got the larger size. We'll buy again. These are a must with a high-protein diet. They're good fiber. Love these, and they are so good for you and a treat to eat. Price is a bit too high. Way cheaper, but for now satisfied. It is a great product, would like the ability to order at a lesser price. Thanks. Click link in description for more reviews. Please subscribe.